This is my homemade Calendula Salve, smooth, stable, and formulated with a precise 1:4 wax-to-oil ratio. I begin by cutting raw beeswax into small pieces. I source my beeswax from local farmers and use it in its raw form to preserve its natural integrity. For a 2-ounce tin, I use a 1:4 ratio, 1 part beeswax to 4 parts calendula-infused almond oil. That balance creates a firm yet spreadable texture. I melt the mixture gently using a double boiler. Low, indirect heat is important to protect the quality of the oil and maintain formulation stability. I stir slowly until the beeswax fully melts and blends evenly with the infused oil. Once removed from heat, I allow the mixture to cool slightly before adding vitamin E. Vitamin E supports oxidation stability and helps extend shelf life. Carefully pour the liquid salve into clean metal tins. As it cools, the structure begins to set. Calendula contains naturally occurring compounds such as flavonoids and triterpenes, which are studied for their skin-supporting properties. When gently infused into oil, these oil-soluble compounds become part of the final formulation. In a salve, this creates a simple, protective blend designed to nourish the skin and help support a healthy skin barrier. Simple ingredients, balanced ratios, reliable results.